आज हम केमिस्ट्री की ब्रांचेस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। डिफाइन केमिस्ट्री। केमिस्ट्री क्या होता है? केमिस्ट्री द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस दैट डील्स विद द कंपोजिशन, स्ट्रक्चर एंड प्रॉपर्टीज एंड रिएक्शन ऑफ मैटर इज कॉल्ड केमिस्ट्री. It provides understanding of the universe world. It is concerned with matter and energy. Chemistry is the study of matter and its interactions with other matters and with energy. Chemistry is an experimental science. Describe different branches of chemistry. Main branches of chemistry. The main branches of chemistry are following: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry, analytic chemistry. ये जनाब 9 इसकी ब्रांचेस होती हैं. Physical chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deal with relationship between the compositions and physical properties of matter along with the changing in them is called physical chemistry. The properties such as structure of atoms or formations of molecules, behavior of gases, liquid and solid, and the effect of temperatures or radiations on matter are studied in this branch. Organic chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of covalent compounds of carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives is called organic chemistry. इसके बाद जी इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की हम आपको बताते हैं क्या है. द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री दैट डील्स विद स्टडी ऑफ एलिमेंट्स एंड देयर कंपोनेंट्स एक्सपेक्ट हाइड्रोकार्बन्स एंड देयर डेरिवेटिव्स is called chemistry. Biochemistry, the branch of chemistry in which are studied the structure, composition and chemical reactions of biomolecules is called biochemistry. Industrial chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the manufacturing of chemistry compounds and large scale is called industrial chemistry. It deals with the manufacturing of basic chemicals such as oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, caustic soda, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. These chemicals provides the raw materials for many other industries such as fertilizers, soap, textiles, products, paints and papers. Nuclear chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the radioactive nuclear processes and properties is called nuclear chemistry. It is manually concerned with the energy of the atoms and its uses in daily life. It is applied in medical treatment, radiotherapy, preservations of food and generations of electric power through nuclear reactors. Environmental chemistry, the branch of chemistry